In this video, we're going to be replacing the variable valve timing on the exhaust side of this 2015 Hyundai Sonata. It's located on the back of your motor on the passenger side. Okay, so if you find your horn on the passenger side, inner fender well, straight down back behind there, on the back of the motor, you'll find your VVT, your variable valve timing solenoid on the exhaust side. It's going to be held in place by one 10mm bolt. It's going to be right underneath it. I'm going to take that bolt out now. There's your bolt. Now the harness that runs up onto the top of the motor has a little bit of play in it, so what we're going to do is actually take out the whole solenoid. Now it is held in place by an O-ring. If you decide to and want to, you can remove your electrical connection now. Just push in this tab and remove the plug. We're actually going to do that now because we're going to use a pry tool to try and pop out our solenoid. We're going to try and pry on the spot where the bolt goes. There we go. And we can slide that right out. Now our new VVT, we're going to put just a little bit of oil around the O-ring before we install it. And then we're going to install it the same way it came out. Just press it right in. All right, you will have to rotate it as you push it into position. You just want to push it as hard as you can to seat that O-ring. You don't want to rely on the bolt to do the rest of the work, but a tiny little gap is okay. So now we'll thread in our bolt. And with a 10mm socket, we go ahead and tighten that down. And once you get your bolt in, you can go ahead and reinstall your electrical connector. Just push it in so you hear a click. That's it.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.